Good morning.
Very good morning. This is my second conversation. Today I just started and uh, okay.
Okay, that's
So
great.
little bit of nervous.
It's okay. So, how do you feel now?
Okay, a little bit of comfortable.
Okay, yeah, gradually you will be comfortable because it's your second conversation, right? So, it's happened to everyone because you are just today is the second day, so it's common things everyone feeling initially time. Don't worry, you consider I am also your friend and I am also very beginner. I am not very that much perfect, okay?
Okay, what you do in your day to day?
Okay, so
Like
okay, before diving the session, first I think could you please introduction of yourself?
Yes, this is Priti Priyasini Sahu, and now I am doing BEd after graduation, BEd course for to become a teacher, and also I just tutoring students in my home and outside the home, they in their home, and apart from that, I am doing content creation in YouTube in English. That it always I just practice English in front of camera, and I share what I learned from any podcast or any other platform what I watched. Share my learning with in front of camera.
Okay, it's very nice introduction of your. So I think I have to give some little introduction also. So as you
Yes.
know, my name is Malati. I live in Bangalore, and if I talk about my education, I have completed my graduation in English literature and mass communication. Nowadays, I am full-time homemaker, and apart from there, yeah, I am also running YouTube channel because of my personal growth because I want to learn something, that's why I created this channel. And yeah, it's going nice. Yeah, pretty much about myself also. Okay,
Okay,
okay, Priya.
that's
So
nice.
first conversation with whom you did?
Rajesh, something. Let's thrive into Rajesh, that is YouTube channel.
Okay.
I made conversation today just at 8:30 a.m. I just conversed with him, and after that, this is the Sunday, so they all have the holiday, so that's why. And I also joined with you, and literally, I am also be curious about to making conversation with others and upload them in YouTube. It's all about like mini podcast we have. We share our knowledge and learning with others. It's beautiful, and there is so many stories. Apart from that, we can learn from them. That's the thing.
Okay, correct. And you know, you are doing great things. And if you do daily weight basis, those kind of activities, definitely you will be excellent one day, right? And even though you are trying, so how long have you been start this YouTube channel? You have also YouTube channel, right?
Yes, yes. Literally, I started from 1 year before YouTube channel, but at that channel, I just upload in my own language that I am from Odisha. I upload in Odia what are the speeches I do, and that is little bit of another in. I have two YouTube channels, so at there I post the speeches, how to speech, and speech preparation, the farewell speech, welcome speech, from senior to junior, junior to senior. That's the thing. And after my parents are not allowed me to doing that, so I quit. But nowadays I again reback with another account. I have the Priti's English Journey YouTube channel. So there I just upload my learning. It's all about 5 to 7 minutes. I just spoke in front of camera, and it's not about going to any editing later on. So I am not giving time in editing. I just you giving time in thumbnail. So it's very used to manage time to doing
So
it.
now it's clear, right?
Yeah. What about you? How do you manage your? You have said you are a homemaker, and how you should manage YouTube and all those things.
Yeah, I'm also managing till now because of being a housewife, kid of mother is still literally hard to get time also. But my son also nowadays going in school, so that's in afternoon time I will get little leisure time, and in that time I'm trying to make useful. So in that duration, I'm trying to make video, trying to make editing, everything related to YouTube I will do, and in that duration I am doing. And apart from there, some of family member also suddenly come, and some time, okay, not a daily basis, and some relative also came. That time it's not possible, but the thing is, whenever I will be free, I will try to make video and uploading video.
It's very good thing, and I know about the Bangalore. They always there is so many people just speak in English. There is a little bit of English
Yes, yes, yes.
environment is there. It's
Yeah,
true.
yeah. Compared to other state, here we can get environment. If I go outside, definitely everyone they can speak English, and that's how I feel little courage also. Okay, everyone talking, so why should not I? Right? So these things feeling coming in my it used to coming in my mind earlier. So that's why I also try to learning this language. And now I'm little capable to talking in front of anyone, but still I am learning also. It's not a sufficient for me, right? So because I have to learn much more thing, so that's why I'm here.
Okay, what your husband do?
My
Uh,
husband also working. And Preeti, I would like to ask, so from when you start your journey, learning journey, English journey, when you.
yes, yes. Just 2 months. It's today is 14th. So I just started July 14th, and that's only two
Okay,
months. It's
only in 2 months, it's been starting your English journey, but you are very quite good your English also, and be continue. Don't give up in between time. Don't give up in 1 or 2 month, 3 month later. Okay, be continue, and you are given tuition class also, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, so
Okay.
which standards student you are given tuition class?
Just standard English medium schools they have. So standard one, standard two, and standard three, and also standard five, and standard six, seven, like this. And only up to six, seven. And they are very like not having the all very much student from one classes. They have the different classes, and one each. So it's getting time to uh, uh, tease them.
Yeah, correct, correct. So after 2 months, before 2 months, and now, how do you feel? Do you some different? Do you get some different yourself?
In English
Yes.
preparation.
Yes.
Uh, yes, little bit of I am knowing this language how to speak, but still I am improving. Yes, I if I go to my previous video, I feel the difference between them. Okay,
Yeah,
and
correct,
also.
correct. And it's take a time. Okay, we can't do in overnight, right? So it's take a time,
Mm,
and it's not our language. Yeah, we can learn maybe 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, but if coming in speaking it little time, it's take a time because it's not our language, and every time we are not getting to opportunity and chance also because our native language is different, our society
mm,
language and this language is different, right? So that's why
mm,
we have to forcefully inculcate in our mind. We have forcefully speaking, we have to remind each and everything, so then we have to start, right? So that's why it's take a time. And if you get the time, and if you get the chance, opportunity talking to anyone, don't miss this chance
mm,
and try to as much
mm.
as possible, right? So it's
Yes.
gradually it will be good.
Uh,
Yeah.
That's thing I can say you share with you that what happened. I am doing Andhra VD, that is you have to be go. I am living in Odisha, but I go for the examination. I go there Andhra, and there also in South Indians they are not understanding Hindi, so you have to be speaking English. So I prefer to converse with them in English. It's about 6 July. I go there, and I converse with them in the reception counter, and also in the local area. You have to be speaking in English. They prefer their language or otherwise English, not Hindi. That's the thing I learned, and my friends are always, they are not speaking in English, but they convey their thoughts within myself, and I just spoke in front of them.
Okay, correct, correct. So, what are you doing nowadays for improving your communication apart from this video conversation? Are you doing
This
something?
is I told you that I am also excited to doing this video conversation. That's the thing, and now beginning. And apart from that, I just learn the from the inspiring. I just reading that like book, inspiring
Mindset.
books, and,
It's
and
in
um,
mindset, right?
yes, mindset.
Okay.
And reading, and just listening podcast, and that's the learning I share in front of camera. And it's all about building habit. I don't break my consistency. I do it daily, no matter how small or big. I just do every day. That's the thing. I believe that consistency is matter.
Correct, correct. Consistency is very mandatory, right? And what's about your friend circle? They are also talking in English. They are also wants to improve in communication or not?
I have very little surrounding in English, in friends. So they are not talking in English. They are just talking about Odia language, and not even Hindi. But I am a daughter of ex-Indian Army. So in my childhood, I go outside the states. So that's why I am able to speak in Odia and Hindi, and now improving English. That's the thing. But
Okay.
in my there is no circle I have to practice English.
Okay. Okay, so Preeti, nowadays you are taking tuition class also and as well as you are learning English also. What is your plan? What is your goal in future?
Yeah, that's the thing. I literally, in my personal view, if I say I choosing like sharing my, I am not able to share my goal anyone, because I am constantly doing up on that. So I am not sharing anything.
Okay.
Apart from that, I just design the journal books. I and launch them in Amazon KDP. I do that. I am loving. I love to design,
Okay.
and and that's the thing. And just tutoring, and doing B.Ed for the, also I am doing B.Ed for the become a teacher. So that's the thing. And I am very much excited, and very much that's the thing, passion I have, that I can speak in front of camera. And if I have content, that's it's my passion. And if it's going to be very big in future, then I will pursue it.
Correct, correct. Whatever in your goal, definitely, if you have determination, if you have a desire, yeah, definitely you should be hard work and as well as consistency, right? One day you can achieve your whatever you are thinking, whatever you have a plan, right? So that's why you are doing hard working, I know. So, what is your hobbies? What do you like in leisure time apart from this English? Nowadays,
Yes.
definitely you make your hobbies related to English. Instead of these hobbies, what you like?
Yes, I most of the time I very much prefer to spend with the natures. I am very much blessed that my home is situated around the nature. That I in the morning I just wake up, and one or two glass of water I sat with them, and feel the nature inside with me. I just see the green scenery, and the birds are chirping. I listening them, and the butterfly are just flying. I very much fond about to spend time with nature and myself. I sometimes I go to the forest walk, like near my house. There is if you go there, there is in the two side of the roads, there is trees are there, and monkeys are there, and the water flow are there. I just spend there my time.
Okay. And Odisha, you are living in Odisha, right?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
in your hometown, from how long far from the Jagannath temple?
Yes, very much. It's about 125 kilometer from here. I am living in Dhenkanal district, so that's 125 kilometer. We usually go through the. I have the railway station here to go visit Jagannath temple. In the morning, there is passenger train available. I go there. In my near my house also, it is near to the roadside. NH road is there, and this side railway station is there.
Okay, okay.
So
Because some of my friend also from side Odisha, and every time they used to say, still they are saying, Jagan. And my family member all are already visited in Jagannath temple, some Puri. It's called Puri also, right? So that's
mm,
it's very beautiful and very very spiritual place is there. Okay, so that's why I want to go there in future. It's my bucket list, and I make the plan with my family there because it's very beautiful place. I listen much more time, and I want to go. I want to visit
yes.
there once.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
It's all about. I think in Odisha people says that you have to be make the connection that Jagannath will call you.
yeah,
That's
correct.
the things, and otherwise not you are not able to go there. It's I am saying that my just goosebump
Yeah, yeah,
giving
yeah.
that.
Correct, correct. It's very. I listen in a news also, reels also, everywhere about Jagannath Puri temple. Okay, so that's why I want to. I want to visit there, and let's
Mm.
see with my
You say
family.
the birthplace, your in Bangalore is the birthplace of your, or are you
Uh,
from then?
I am from Nepal, but currently stay here in Bangalore.
Okay, nice. I
Yes.
just the first conversation is also that Rajesh from Nepal. I met them also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think
Okay.
I did a conversation with him also. I think initially time, I think I was very new. First or second conversation, I think I did with him. I think I feel like that. So yeah, I knew about him also. Okay, so
Mm,
I think our time also has run out. So we should wrap up
okay.
the session. And eventually, would you like to ask something about me?
Yes, I forgot what I am going to say. That you said that if you came in future Odisha, then it's well good because it's have the sea beaches you can make fun there, and also there is apart from it Jagannath Puri, there is also so many places are here. If you go through the visit in tourist buses, you can visit also Bhubaneswar. Konark temple is near the Jagannath temple, and apart from that, Lingaraj temple is there in the Bhubaneswar. Rajarani temple, they have the beautiful architecture in the temple, so you can find so many things if you closely see the minute work in there. You find so many things to learn about the places.
Correct, correct. That's why I make plan in future. Definitely, I will visit there, and yeah, I want to go anyhow there because most of the time, even my all my family member already they visited, but some of circumstances I could not go there earlier. So now I make plan with my family. Let's see in future. Okay.
Hmm.
So okay.
Jagannath Puri
Yes.
in the throughout the year you can visit any times. It's no matter you take the winter vacation or summer vacation. It's not about that. You can visit there because the atmosphere is not